Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Jim. At ito na nga guys, in IG story ni David, yung Tatler photo shoot nila. Ayun na nga, Ruru, David, and Alden. And next, ayun na nga, si Miss Patong Kamay. Ay nako. Next naman, ay ito yung interview ng 24 oras sa kay David Licauco. Let's watch this.
Hanggang ngayon naman, hindi pa rin daw makapaniwala si David sa lahat ng opportunity na ibinibigay sa kanya.
For me naman kasi, I just love the craft. I learned to love acting and I'm just doing my job, and all the recognition or like yung pinipeg nila sa akin are galing sa kanila yun.
Sabi
At next naman ay behind the scenes ng pictorial with David. At hindi na natin sinama yung mga hindi natin gustong makita, guys. So, yan na. The cute Mr. David Licauco, ayun, si Ruru at saka si Alden, Miss Julian San Jose, and Miss Annette Gozon Abrogar. Yan na nga. And next naman ay post ni Miss Barbie Fortesa. Thank you so much, Silka Skincare family, for this giveaways for our staff here on set. Hashtag pulang araw. Ayun na nga, namigay pa lang Silka at si Barbie ng giveaway sa staff and crew ng pulang araw. At next naman ay post na Lazada Philippines, Ready or Not, Bato Bato Pick Showdown na. Queen vouchers from the Queen Stash at the Lazada 12 Bato Topic Showdown. Ay napaka-cute na si David. Ang cute ng mga pictures niya, no? Grabe. Napaka-cute. At next naman ay si Miss Barbie Fortesa for Young Basic. Let's watch this.
Hey, 9 Young Babies! I'm so excited to share that I am now the official brand ambassador of 9 Young Basic. And I'm thrilled to share the journey I have in the future with you guys. Kaya naman, I'm inviting everyone to their grand sale. Doble ang tipid ngayon, kaya naman mag-add to cart ka na bago pa matapos ang flash deals natin. May discount at shipping vouchers pa. Sulit talaga at doble ang saya. Add to cart na at simulang mag-glow sa sulit na halaga.
Ayun na, the pretty Barbie Fortesa for 9 Young Basic. At tweet ng Sparkle, Radiance starts from within, and Barbie Fortesa is here to show us how it's done. As the newest ambassador of 9 Young Basic, she's leading the way to a glowing, confident you. And another post from Team Barbie Fortesa, Live Young with 9 Young. 9 Young Basic Collagen Boost designed to nurture your beauty and wellness from within. Congratulations, Barbie Fortesa. Dito na nga yung mga pictures ni Barbie channeling her Greek goddess side with these pictures. Ayan na nga. Parang ganyan din yung suot ni Teresita dun sa ano, di ba? Dun sa pigging. Anyway, ayan na, pretty Barbie. Pero mas maganda naman si Barbie dun, di hamak. At next naman ay merong video si Barbie Fortesa. Let's watch this.
Hi Barbie! A round of applause again to the very beautiful and radiant Barbie Fortesa. Hello Barbie!
Hi everyone!
You look so fresh and young. Sobrang freshy Barbie, no?
Yeah!
At hindi lang yan, sobrang young ni Barbie? Sure, that's our brand for the day, Barbie. Please take your seat, Barbie. Please take your seat. And first of all, Barbie, here of 9 Young Basic. Maraming salamat naman talaga. 9 Young Basic. We also have here a very, very cute Christmas ornament. Then let's do the mock contract signing to officially. One more.
Thank you, Ryan. First of all, okay lang bang bumati sa kanila? Thank you so much for taking the time to be here today. I see a lot of familiar faces. Our friends from the press, thank you so much for coming. My friends from Barbie Natics, andito sila. Hello guys, hello po. And of course, ang aking mga boss, sa Jimmy Sparkle, si Miss Jan, andito. Thank you all so much for coming. And of course, to 9 Young Basic, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And you said, despite my busy schedule, how do I feel na nag-entrust sa akin ng brand like 9 Young Basic? Well, para sa akin, nung nalaman ko po na pinagkatiwalaan ako ng 9 Young Basic to be their very first brand ambassador, grabe, sobrang nakaka nakaka-overwhelm and sobrang nakakataba ng puso. And agad-agad actually when after namin magkaroon ng agreement, I immediately tried their product and unang-una napakasarap. I mean, kung pwede lang sanang damihan ko, di ba? Ang sarap kasi nga, kasi it's not like parang it doesn't taste like a responsibility. Diba? Na kailangan mo siya i-take everyday para maganda yung skin mo. Masarap kasi siya talaga. And also, hindi ko alam kung ini-etchos ako ng mga kasama ko sa trabaho. Pero siguro, after just a few days of drinking it consistently, ang dami nagsasabi sa akin na, ginagawa, bakit ang glowing mo? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Di ba magkakasama na tayo sa taping? Di ba isa naman yung ginagawa natin? Di ba gera to? Bakit ka glowing? Sa gera. So, lagi ko sinishare sa kanila and I'm always proud to share that it's because of the 9 Young Basic Collagen drink.
In all fairness naman kay Barbie, ang galing niya mag-promote, no? At saka ang galing niya gumawa ng small talk with regards to her using 9 Young Basic. So, very professional si Barbie pagdating doon sa part na yun. At sana more endorsement pa kay Miss Barbie Fortesa. Ayan naman, napaka-pretty. More pictures. This came from Genre. Pinost ni Genre, ayan na nga. Ay, may labubo doon sa kanyang ano.
Young Basic, maraming salamat naman talaga. Now, Young Basic, we also have here a very cute Christmas ornament. Then, let's do the mock contract signing. It's official. One more. All right now, may we request the presents?
At nagsipost ng Buzz Philippines, back-to-back cheek-to-cheek pa sila, Barbie at David with Buzz. Tag mo na yung kabuzz mo. Ayan na, Barbie and David. Ayan, cheek-to-cheek and back-to-back. At yung kanilang billboard sa Mandaluyong. At next naman, ito naman post ni Genre kagabi. It's a wrap for Adelina, Barbie Fortesa, Fatima Mercado. Ayun na nga, si Barbie at si David last night. So, parang madaling araw na raw natapos si Barbie sa pagtitaping ng Pulang Araw. At ito naman post ni Mikoy, This is it pansit. So, yan na nga yung costume ni Mikoy Morales. May ganun ako sapatos ha. At yun na nga, hindi ko alam kung bakit tag 5 si doon, si David at saka sila Barbie, no? Anyway, next naman is Instagram story ni David. Ay, nakakasama niya si Kulot. Day 101 of 101. Pinost nga ni Pinote. Hiroshi last day taping. Balik tayo sa first episode. Hashtag Pulang Araw. At ayan na nga, putok na putok na muscles ni David. At ayan na nga, next naman ay si David sa gubat. At ito, inaayusan si David. At yan naman yung wagkakapatid. At ito another picture of David. And ayan na nga, David and Sir Nathan Perolino. Ayan, naglalakad lang. At ito naman si David. Video to ng Bardanatics, guys. Ayan, so nag-costume siya ulit na sundalo. At yan, more pictures of David. Nanghingi ng McDo talaga si David kay Alden. At ito naman, yung sa tent. Sinundo si David ni Mir. At wala silang audio. Ito yun yung namimigay si Alden ng burger, pie, at saka chicken. At ayan na nga, pinigyan niya yung mga crew. At pinakahulingan ng hingi dyan ay si David. Ayan na nga, si David binigyan. At saka si Sir Nathan. Ayun, si Alden pa talaga ngayon namigay. At ito naman guys, another video by Bardanatics. At yun na nga, so si David at saka si Kulot, actually nakatali lang yung buhok. Si Barbie at saka si Sanya nandun. So ano kayang scene na yan? At ang kausap nga ni David ay yung si Kulot. Ayun na nga. At next, ayan, more pictures. Ayan si Kulot, si Rayu, ayan, si Ashley, at si David. Yun na nga. More of David, at saka si Dennis. At lastly, si Barbie. Ayan, si David at saka si Barbie ay binigyan nila ng donuts. Ayan, especially from Bardanatics. At naman, more of David. Nakausap si Sir Nathan Perolino. So, yun na nga. Ayan. Unfortunately, walang audio. So, hindi natin alam guys kung ano yung pinag-uusapan nila. At next naman, si David. Putok na putok yung mga braso. Suspect, nananakop ng puso. Grabe, oh. Oo nga. Si Barbie lang naman din niya nasakop. Ay, nako. Ewan ko ba sa inyo. Kagigil. At yan na nga, si David. At ito naman, si Miss Barbie Fortesa at saka si Alden Richards. At next naman is Miss Barbie Fortesa for Avignon Clinic in emerald green gown. At next naman ay IG story ni James. So, naglaro sila ng volleyball. And lastly, a TikTok video by James Licauco. Ayan na nga. In his hoodie. And there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!